Hey Jen, updating the contact details of my Google Workspace domain is driving me crazy. It's like a never-ending maze.
Oh, Romy, I feel you. But fear not. I've got the perfect escape plan.
Ready? Do tell. I'm all ears and ready to break free.
Well, with Shared Contact for Gmail, users can be their own profile champions. They can update their own contact info like a boss.
But don't you need to be a domain administrator to update Google directory profiles?
Not for your own profile with the Shared Contact dashboard. Every user is a master of their own destiny and can update their phone number if it has changed.
Sounds like a dream come true. But how do we keep it all synced with everyone?
No worries, Romy. Shared Contact for Gmail works its magic and automatically syncs all updates with the Google Workspace directory. It's a bit like if a squad of mini admins were updating your directory while you're having your chai latte break.
Wow, that's impressive. But what if I prefer that only a few non-admins can update the Google directory of their teams? Can they join the party too?
Absolutely. Shared Contact for Gmail lets you, as an administrator, delegate directory updates to non-admins, so everyone can join the fun.
This is fantastic. It's like a contact management fiesta.
You got it, Rami? It's a party for contact updates.
Wow, shared contacts for Gmail is a superhero solution I've been waiting for.
Glad to hear that. Say goodbye to the profile update maze and hello to the contact management bliss.
Thanks, Jen, you're my superhero.
No cape needed, Romy. You just need to try Shared Contact for Gmail and subscribe to this channel for more advice like this.